Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Padoru Anime Vanguard. First, understand that Padoru is a beloved internet meme, especially popular during the holiday season. It features a small, animated character, often singing a distinctive tune. This guide will walk you through creating and sharing your own Padoru content, ensuring you capture its unique charm. We'll cover everything from finding resources to final deployment, making it easy for everyone to join the fun. To begin, you'll need to gather your Padoru assets. Many websites offer free, high-resolution images and animated GIF of the character. You can also find the iconic Padoru song easily on video-sharing platforms. Look for transparent backgrounds if you plan to layer your animation. Remember to check for different character poses and expressions to add variety to your project. A good collection of resources is key to a successful Padoru creation. Now let's create your animation. Open your preferred video editing software like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut. Import your Padoru images or GIF and the audio track. Carefully align the character's movements with the song's rhythm, often a simple loop. Consider adding a snowy background or a fun holiday message. Most projects take about 15 to 30 minutes to assemble. Export your finished video in MP4 format for broad compatibility. Finally, it's time to share your Padoru masterpiece. Upload your video to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Engage with comments and spread holiday cheer. Using popular hashtags such as Padoru or Anime Christmas can significantly boost your content's reach. This simple act of sharing can bring joy to hundreds or even thousands of viewers. Celebrate the season with your unique Padoru contribution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.